everybody, and welcome back to BGM LLC YouTube channel. And here we are doing our unboxing of our proofs of our book. So just to give you a little bit of backstory, sorry that started beeping today, but to give you a little bit of backstory. So I published the book through Ingram Spark about a week ago, and on May 19th, I ordered my my proof of my book. I had already received the e-proof, but I wanted a tangible copy that I can hold in my hand to make sure that everything was aligned right and formatted right. So Ingram Spark said it was going to take 22 days to get my book. Well, printing was going to take 22 days plus shipping. So I placed one order on May 19th, and it showed me that it would be printing from Pennsylvania, which is about 2 hours away from where we live. So that was on the 19th. And by May 22nd, I was impatient, and I saw online that there were no backups in the UK at their printing shops because of COVID-19. And if I ordered in the UK, then the book would get here faster. So I ordered from the UK on May 22nd. So I ordered from the Pennsylvania shop on May 19th, and I ordered from the UK on May 22nd. They both came the same day, which is today, May 20. What's today? May 28th. They both came today, May 28th, 2020, about 10 minutes apart from each other, which is good. So it actually did not take anywhere near 22 days. But keep in mind, I only ordered one book for now. And if they are a go, then we will go ahead and open up our distribution. So I have the one here. This one is from the Pennsylvania shop, and this one, don't die, I just is that way, is from the UK. So which one do you want to open first?
This one.
By the way, these are my girls. They are the characters in the book. Tell me your name.
Trinity.
Over there.
And Seven. Trinity.
And Seven. You want a YouTube channel. You can't even look at the camera. What's your name?
Seven.
Ooh. Okay. You want to start here? Yeah. Okay, so this is the one from the United Kingdom. Let me see it. It's so beautiful.
Where are my tissues?
It's so it is so glossy and lovely.
And
The font is super big.
it says black or magic sprinkles.
It does. I definitely think that the words on the back aren't centered though, and that's a little bothersome to me. I don't know if you can see it, I'll zoom in later, but I think I would like the words centered a little bit better on the back.
It keeps beeping and it's so loud.
Yes, our smoke detector started beeping this morning. All right, so let's
Read it.
compare. I mean, they probably look exactly the same. Let's not open it yet. Let's look at this one. They give us this huge box.
Oh my gosh, it's so big. There's another one? It's bigger than
Okay.
the first one.
No, they're the same size. Again, I love it. If you can see that glossy cover.
It's kind of a little bit like smaller.
No, they're the same size. And again, they're exactly the same. I think I would just prefer my summary on the back and my heading on the back to be centered a little bit better than what it is. Which is probably something I can fix with my illustrator because she did my formatting. It looks good. Okay, let's open it up and see what the pages are looking like. So we have a blank page here.
In like all the books.
Yeah. Okay, so let's flip some more.
You guys.
All right, so here we have our copyright page, and we have our title page, which also looks pretty good. I don't really see anything wrong with it. What do you think, Trini? Looking good? Okay. So we don't want to show too much. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. The bleed is perfect. I have nothing in the gutter that I don't want to be seen or that I want to be seen. The pages they're heavy. I got the 70. Oh yeah. I think it's like the 70-pound or something paper, but it's a pretty good weight. The text is very large for younger audiences or younger readers, which I think is great. I am in freaking love.
That's me sleeping.
That is you sleeping. Are you excited to see you in a book? Yeah.
And Shani's like this, laying down.
Yes. I mean, the colors are vibrant and beautiful. I am sold. I think I am going to go ahead and mark this for distribution. The only thing that I'm going to have them change that so far that I can see is just centering my text on the back.
Spy 7.
But I mean, I'm impressed. Very much so impressed. We can't show them everything. This book is amazing. I almost want to cry. Like Trinity is doing in this picture here. I'm amazed. I cannot believe this.
That's me as the general.
It's beautiful, guys.
I'm the general in the book. I'm the general.
I mean, really, is this that bothersome to you guys? It's not centered on the back of the book. Is that something you think I should just have a whole, like, editing thing about? I don't know. I mean, I definitely have a little bit of OCD, so I would definitely like it shifted over a little bit. It might actually just be the heading. I can't really tell. But I'm in love! Ah! We are authors.
Yeah.
Published authors, boo. Girl, whose name is that?
Whose
Whose name is that? Okay, hold up. Who is that?
Me.
Ooh, we did it, ladies. Hugs for everyone.
Huggies. Huggy, big puppies.
We love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
Okay, and don't forget to like.
Yeah. And click the bell button.
Click the bell button.
And hit that thumbs up.